Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be testing if shaving cream can actually clean the bottom of your oven. So how this is supposed to work, I guess, is shaving cream is really high in potassium, which is supposed to be really good for like breaking down these things, pulling out stains, and doing all that stuff. So I saw it, need to test it. Here we go. I decided to just put it on the bottom of my oven and I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit. This has been sitting for about an hour. All I have right here is a bucket of just plain water and my beloved scrub brush. We're gonna scrub this off and see exactly what it did. It is kind of promising. I can definitely see that in some areas it was trying to pull off some of the grease and the debris, and you can tell that the shaving cream is turning colors kind of in the same way that baking soda would, which is pretty cool. So it leads me to believe that this might actually do something. So we'll see. I've had this stain on the bottom of my stove for probably a year. I've tried 100 different things to clean it, and I can actually see that the shaving cream is actually pulling up some of the stain in the middle, which is crazy to me that this is the thing that's going to take it off. Can you see that? So I'm definitely scrubbing. I'm putting some elbow grease into this, but that already has exceeded the expectations that I had for this by far. So I'm going to scrub this and bring you guys back and show you the end result. Here is what it is after, and you guys, I'm shook. I know it's not perfect, but I have had stains on the bottom of this oven. You guys have seen me clean in video after video after video that have not come up, and the shaving cream pulled them up. I am almost 100% positive if I repeated this process once, maybe even 2 more times, my whole oven would be like brand new on the bottom. So I am completely shocked. Honestly, I didn't think this was actually gonna work, and it did, and that's so crazy. So I guess I'm gonna have to say that this one's proven correct. It actually does work. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are just as surprised as I am that you can clean your oven with shaving cream. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.